I'd like to thank my best friend Sergey for giving me this opportunity. I'd like to thank Vasim. After that, I'm going to now disauthenticate the drone and the user, and I'm going to disconnect their connection so that they can't. Now I'm going to connect to the drone, and then I can get video feed, I can fly it, I can do basically anything I want.
So just to showcase that I have control.
Well, I'm 13 years old, and my name is Reuben Paul. I live in Austin, Texas, and I like to hack. I started hacking when I was about 6 or 7, and this is when I started first getting into technology and started first researching and learning about hacking. I just hacked the drone, and I basically scanned for networks in the area. I scanned for the devices connected to the drone's network. Then I disconnected the drone and the user by sending a DOS package. After that, I connected back to the drone, and now I have full control of it. I can fly it, I can video record, I can get all kinds of data back. These protocols and these technologies are not only limited to the drone, it's limited to the entire Internet of Things. And the Internet of Things is just a network of connected physical devices through an Internet protocol. So your smart homes, your smart devices, your smart toys, all of this is connected. And this is the technology that's going to be going into future devices such as autonomous cars, flying cars, things like this. So if we don't secure it now, then connectivity without controls can become catastrophic. Technology is only going to get bigger, and that's the world we're going to be moving into. So make sure that it's secure now so that later we won't have to regret it.
Vendors and product companies really want to compete at the highest extent, so they really go for the business side of things, so they can take the largest market base, and they often overlook the security features or the privacy features included in these devices. The impact of overlooking security features and not embedding security in the development lifecycle of the devices themselves. It could be really the privacy compromise, could be the human safety, and could be data loss. 93% of the attacks that we saw coming into the Internet of Things are really password-related, weak password-related things. We encourage people who are buying these smart devices and deploying them at home, just change the default password that comes from the vendors. The second important section or part is to update the devices, restart it or shut it down if you feel something is wrong. And the third tip that I would give is know your device, know the operational features, know the security features that can bring and how it integrates with your home.
I don't know which way it's going to fly.
Hold on, let me leave it a second.
Give it a little bit of... Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, Reuben.
Maybe look at that.
more or less? Yeah, 15,000? 15,000 everywhere, especially in WhatsApp, especially.
Like 2 weeks ago, and we were at that lovely hotel, and then we were